24th of August, last day of August, Wednesday before the big Labor Day weekend, and it's a little bit afternoon time, 12:41 to be exact. Nice slope has been forming in here, and I've been picking a good amount of coins. Not a whole lot of jewelry yet, but I know it's here, so I'm going to work down a little lower today and just kind of work this whole slope area. I'm going to go down pretty far. I'm going to try and go down almost to Longport, and let's see what happens. I don't work real fast, so I don't cover a lot of beach, but again, like Gary says, it's not how much beach you cover, it's how you cover the beach. So, all right, well, back to it. I'll let you know how I do. If I find anything good, I'll be back on. Let's see what we got here. A lot of shells in this mix here, which is good. The sand is nice and hard with a lot of shells. Gonna hold some stuff. Alright, this is just a penny. Looks like a copper penny. Alright, back to it. Okay, I've been out in the saturated sand. It's pretty quiet down out there. The closer to shell line I get, the more I get in the signals. But most of them have been coins from what I can see the last 3 days. Got a coin signal here, or at this point it sounds like one. Maybe not. An awful. I got a feeling it's a piece of. I don't know what it is. Let's see what we got here. What's in the scoop? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, I can't see it. This is a piece of junk. Is that it? Yep. And this, my friends, is a UFO, unidentified found object. Maybe a zinc penny at one time? Half a zinc penny? Anyway, back to it. Albeit it might be a little deep. Crunchy sand. I'm talking about hunting crunchy sand. Anything that will slow down, anything with a base to it that will slow down targets as they sink, especially heavy targets. This isn't all that big. Oh, sounds a little better now. Are you kidding me? That, my friends, was once a zinc penny. Amazing. Alright, back to it. Shallow coin signal. That's what we got here. Not far down. My guess is it probably washed out of the blanket line like so many have. What's this? That's... Is it? No. It's hoping to be a coin. Or a piece of jewelry. That's a nice shiny dime. Right back to it. It's a nice solid tone. Not a real high tone. I don't know if I can actually call it a mid-tone. It's close to a mid-tone. It's not exactly a Mind Lab growl, but more like a pull tab-ish type signal. So we got here. What is that? A coin? Yeah, it's a rotted zinc penny. And those will fool you so many times. Because they'll read blow. Alright, that explains it. Back to it. Or shell line. The upper third of the wet sand where it's sloped. What do we got here? Alrighty. What has we got here? Oh, it's a nickel. Okay. That was a little lower sounding. Alright, back to it. Nickel.
Is that a bottle cap?
Nope, nickel.
Nickel.
It's a wispy, warbly signal. It's a high tone. That's what we got. Maybe this won't be another coin. Silver bracelet. Something. Doesn't go out of the norm. It's a warbly signal. Tell me it's at least a quarter. It sounds like anyway. And here's a shuffle of a quarter. I see a quarter. Oh, wait a minute. I see something. Yep, it's a quarter. That's what I thought. Alright, back to it. See what we got down here. It's sounding promising. A coin of some type? And it is. Wow. That was a coin. That is a razor. I almost cut myself. That is razor thin. That was a wheat penny at one point. Still see Lincoln. That is thin. Check that out. Alright. Check it out when I get home. Quarter patch in here. Some warbly signals. The last two signals have been quarters. Maybe three in a row right here. Sure sounds like one. And it is. Third quarter in a row, so getting quarters up on the slope here. More than likely came out of the dry sand, but you never know. Maybe some gold mixed in with it. Let's see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, and the nail is, the attack coil is hitting hard on it, so I don't know how deep it is. Still in the hole. Are you kidding? Okay. It's a penny? It's a nickel. Oh, jeez. Alright. That's the, okay, it was a nickel. Alright, back to it. Thing one. Warbly mid-tone. Let's see what we got. Turns out to be a lowly nickel. 5 meager cents. Right here. First one of these I've gotten today. Let's see what we got. Come on, baby. Ugh. Are you kidding? What is this? Are you kidding me? Terrible. Ugh. Alright, that whole crappiest signal. It was broken up, sputtering, came out looking like that. It wasn't closed up, so it didn't really give a good signal. I have a feeling it's nothing good. There's something printed on it. So we'll see. It's a piece of junk, actually. But I'll check it out when I get home. Alright, silver colored bracelet. Junk jewelry find of the day. Okay. Back to it. Okay, I'm walking back towards home now. About a quarter of the way up the slope, towards the bottom. Junk. Sheep brass on the ship. Okay, back to it. I'm getting near my condo and I'm ready to quit for the day, jump in the pool, cool off a little bit. Let's see what I got here. Alright, so it's a Okay, everybody, let's do a short roundup here about today's hunt, and this is just my take for today. Not much in the way of trash. Had a little bit, but mostly really crapped up zinc pennies. Speaking of zinc pennies, dug a number of them. Also managed to dig some copper pennies as well. They're still pennies, unfortunately. Nickels. Good to see some heavier coins coming into the mix. Dimes. And only a few quarters. This is this right here is a well-worn, paper-thin wheat penny. I was able to make out. It's 1940 something or other. I'm not sure what. And the find of the day was this right here. This is the little Michael Kors designer bangle bracelet. Retails for about $80, so kind of made my day. And it was open when I found it, and it gave me a really crappy signal, but it was a large signal. Sounded a little bit like a bottle cap, but it was larger than a bottle cap, so I went for it. Like I said, when in doubt, dig it out. So there you go. That's my take. Very short hunt. Hopefully things will get better as time goes on out there. So, all right. Until we see what happens with the storm, I'll see you on the beach.